Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K.V. Narasimhan. Vector Calculus, Lecture number 16, Results on Vector Operators. Vector operators are gradient, divergence and curl. So, in the earlier class we discussed two results. Now, today we will discuss another property. What is the property? Show that curl of r power n into r bar equals to 0. Then how to prove this result? What is curl r power n into, I will write curl r power n, small r, scalar quantity, into r bar. Now what is the sigma notation? This is known sigma I cross dou by dou x of r power n into r bar. Okay, this is the scalar quantity and the other one is vector quantity. Now what is the derivative using? U by v rule, UV rule. Sigma I cross, first r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x into r bar plus r power n into r bar derivative is dou r bar by dou x. So, using the formula, what is the formula? Derivative of uv equals to u dash into v plus u into v dash. Using this formula, just differentiate these two terms. First term is u, second term is v. Now, here, what are the known quantities? Dou r by dou x. Okay, I will write here. Dou r by dou x equals to x by r, and dou r bar by dou x equals to I. So, now we will substitute these two values in this summation, sigma I cross n into r bar into r power n minus 1 into x by r plus r power n into I. Okay. So, using these two conditions. Okay. Now what about just expand these two summations into two summations. N is a scalar quantity here, r power n minus 2, here r power n minus 1, here r power n minus 2, x is also scalar quantity. Now I cross r bar, I bar cross r bar. Now second term, r power n is constant term, I cross I. So, I cross I equals to 0. Now, we are applying I cross r bar. What is I cross r bar? I cross xi plus yj plus zk. Then what do you say? I x into I cross I is 0 vector plus y into I cross j equals to k, and I cross k equals to minus j. So, finally, you will get y into x bar, k bar minus z into j bar. So, using this result, then what happened? Using this result, what happened? Sigma, now this is constant, sigma n r power n minus 2 into x into I cross r bar equals to yk minus zk plus 0. I cross I equals to 0. I cross I equals to 0 vector. Now, here n is scalar quantity, So n into r power n minus 2 into sigma x into yk minus xzj. Now expand. N r power n minus 2 into first term xyk minus xzk. Now how to write the second term? In place of x, write y. In place of y, z, next variable. In place of k, I minus yx k. Now third term, in place of y, z, x, j, z, y, I. Okay, this is also known result. Just here we are applying this one. Okay. Now if you observe xyk and also here xyk, these two terms are cancelled. Xzj cancel. Yzi and yzi cancel. Finally, n into r power n minus 2 into r bar equals to 0. What is the left hand side? What is the left hand side? What is the left hand side condition? Curl of r power n into r bar is always 0 vector. Now what is the conclusion after completion of the earlier class and this class? What is the conclusion? Very important point. Divergence of r power n into r bar equals to 0 when n is minus 3. Already we proved. Curl of r power n into r bar equals to, this is 0, sorry. This is only 0. This is 0 vector. When n is any number. Now from this one, what is our conclusion? From these two steps, what is the conclusion? F equals to r power n into r bar is solenoidal when n equals to minus 3 and it means F, it is irrotational for all values of n. Now this is very important observation. So r power n into r bar is 0, divergence of r power n into r bar is 0 when n equals to minus 3. That is r power n into r bar is solenoidal when n is minus 3 and it is solenoidal for all values of n. Sometimes you may get the same question in the examination. Okay, you will get the similar question in the examination. Now coming to the next question, most important question, another question. If a bar is a constant vector, prove that curl of a bar cross r bar by r cube equals to this quantity. We will prove this one. Curl, how to prove this one? Listen carefully. Try to understand the logic. Curl a bar cross r bar by r cube is scalar quantity. What is the first sigma notation? Sigma I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube. Okay, fine. Now first differentiate using u by v rule. What is the derivative? R cube into dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar minus a bar cross r bar into r cube derivative is 3r square into dou r by dou x divided by r power 6. Okay, I will write in both terms r power 6. So using the formula, what is the formula? U by v, derivative of u by v. What is the derivative of u by v? V into derivative of u minus u into derivative by v square. So using this formula, just differentiate using u by v rule. Okay. Now, continuation. Sigma I cross r cube by r power 6 is 1 by r cube into. Okay. Here again using UV formula. Dou a bar by dou x cross r bar plus a bar cross dou by dou x of r bar. Okay, fine. Now this is minus a bar cross r bar into, here r square cancel, 3r power 4 into dou r by dou x is already we discussed x by r. Okay. Now simplification. Just differentiate using UV formula. Here just replace the quantity. Okay. Now sigma I cross. Here dou a by a is constant vector, its derivative is 0. This derivative is 0. Simply you will get this term 1 by r cube into a bar cross dou r bar by dou x is I. Okay. I will write one first term minus sigma I cross. Here a bar cross r bar into, so remaining things are constants, 3x by r power 5. Okay. Now, now rewriting the term. Very simple concept. Here constant scalar quantity 1 by r cube into I cross a cross I. All are vectors. This is vector, this is vector, this is also vector. Minus 3r power 5 sigma x into, x is inside, I cross a bar cross r bar. What is the quantity? Okay. Here if you observe, this is the first term. Now in both terms we recall the formula a bar cross b bar cross c bar equals to a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c. Now we recall this formula. Using this formula, this is a, this is b, this is c. This is a, this is b, this is c. Then what happens? 1 by r cube into sigma I dot I into a minus I dot a bar into I. So this is, these two terms are first two terms. 3r power 5 into sigma x into I dot r bar into a, okay, minus I dot a bar into r. Okay. Just try to understand, very simple manipulation. It's very simple manipulation. 1 by r cube into I dot I equals to 1. So this is a bar minus I dot a bar. What is a bar? A bar equals to a1i plus a2j plus a3k. So dot, this is a bar. Dot product with a, dot product with I is nothing but a1 into I. Okay, minus 3 by r power 5 into sigma x into I dot r bar. What is r bar? xi plus yj plus zk. So using this formula, I dot r bar equals to x. Okay, x into a. Okay, then no problem. Minus I dot A bar. I dot A bar is I dot A bar equals to A bar is this one. I dot A bar is A1. A1 into R. Okay. Okay, clear. A simple manipulation. Now expand the summation. 1 by R cube into first term A1 minus A bar minus A1I plus A bar minus A2J. Just replace A1 by A2, I by J. In the similar way, third term A minus A3K. This is first term minus 3R power 5 into second term. Here x into x square. X square into A bar, first term. A1 into A1x into R bar. This is first term. In the second term, y square into A bar plus A2y into R bar plus z square A bar and plus A3z into R bar. Just replace x by y, y by z. A1 by A2, A2 by A3, x by y, y by z. Just write all these terms. Okay. Now simplification. Now this is 1 by R cube into A bar, 3A bar minus A1I plus A2J plus A3K is nothing but A bar plus, not plus, minus 3 by R power 5 into here x square, here y square, here z square. A bar into x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Minus 3 R power 5 into here R bar, here R bar, R bar. This is A bar, this is R bar. Okay. Here A1x into R bar, A2y into R bar, A3z into R bar. So R bar is common. So A1x plus A2y plus A3z. Now simple manipulation. Final, we are reaching the final step. This is most important question for examination point of view. Into 2A bar. 3A bar minus A bar is this one. Now A bar into x square plus y square plus z square equals to R square minus 3 R bar by R power 5 into this is nothing but A bar dot R bar. A bar is A1I plus A2J plus A3K. R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. So dot product of these two is A1x plus A2y plus A3z. So replace this term. Now finally left hand side is curl A bar cross R bar by R cube equals to, now observe here okay minus A bar by R cube. Okay, we got the result. Here 2 times, here R square, here R square cancel. Here 2 times, this is 1 minus 3 times A bar by R cube. A bar by R cube minus 3 R bar by R power 5 into A bar dot R bar. Just observe this result. minus a bar by r cube plus 3 r bar by r power 5 into a dot r bar. Okay, this is the important result, most important result. So both the results are most important for examination point of view and also concept wise. Okay, today I will stop here. In the next class we will discuss another result. If f of r is differentiable, show that curl r bar into f of r bar equals to 0 bar. Just try it at least a few hours. In the next class, in the next lecture, I will